Good morning, welcome to Dustbane. Today we're going to talk about break rooms, the key solutions that you need to make sure that your break room is in perfect shape. So one of my personal favorites is triple action multi-wipes. The reason being, this is a great cleaner, degreaser, and disinfectant wipe all in one product that you're going to use on common spaces such as your tabletops, your counters, and any of those high touch surfaces where grease buildup could be a challenge, and you want to make sure that you've disinfected that surface. Other areas that can be a common problem within a break room are some of these gorgeous stainless steel appliances that we find in so many kitchen and canteen areas. Part of the challenge that you often see is a buildup of grease, fingerprints, dust, and surfaces that are just hard to keep polished and perfect. What we recommend is the Dustbane stainless steel wipes for these areas. This water-based solution doesn't allow for any of that residue to be left behind, that buildup of grease that you typically see with an oil-based stainless steel wipe, making sure that you've got the perfect finish across all of your stainless steel appliances. Looking to get the perfect finish with your stainless steel polishing wipes? To get the best results, you always want to dry that surface and go against the grain and with the grain. Drying your appliances gives you that perfect sparkling finish. Now, those kitchen sinks can create a lot of problems. You've got people that are cleaning their dishes and they want to find that perfect solution for their dishes. So Vayselle is our Eco Logo dish cleaner. It is perfect for those applications where you've got some greasy pots, pans, and any of those things that you want to keep clean. A light, mild detergent with that beautiful pomegranate scent. What customers love about Vayselle is the fact that it is low foaming. You don't want foam that's going to push that grease around to the sides of your sink. You want something that's going to go a little for a long way. So at a 1 to 500 dilution rate, a couple of drops of Vayselle is going to make sure that you're cleaning your dishes. They're sparkly and shiny. Your cabinetry is a beautiful complement to every kitchen space, but often can have staining that creates watermarks that come down when you've got a busy kitchen and canteen area. What we recommend is a mild detergent like Vayselle. So fill your sink with a little bit of Vayselle, hot water, and wipe down those areas. Again, dry for the ultimate perfect finish. You've cleaned up your dishes and now you're ready to clean that sink. Polar is our #1 favorite Eco Logo cream cleanser product. It has no scent, but really is effective. Where we would use this is to deep clean your stainless steel. So think about those coffee stains, grease, residue, everything that builds up into your sink that you want to polish and get clean. You can use this to deep clean other areas like your stainless steel appliances on a periodic basis when you really need to do a deep clean, and anywhere where you're going to find stainless steel, porcelain, and other applications. Your floors really take a beating in some of these canteen and kitchen areas. You've got a lot of traffic coming through. It could be coming from your plant. It could be coming from your office staff. It could be coming from just about anywhere, especially as we have seasonality. With this beautiful luxury vinyl tile, what this does require is that you've got a safe, neutral detergent. It is a pH neutral at around a 7 to 7.5 that you're coming in at when using the right applications. This is an Eco Logo cleaner that is part of our Buy One, We Plant One program. So every time you purchase a jug of Film Away, we're also planting a tree on your behalf. Now pair that with the right piece of equipment. Our Micro 5 is a beautiful opportunity for you to get into some of those really tight spaces, smaller areas where you just can't get under. Thank you for joining me this morning and allowing me to showcase how we can help support your break room with some fantastic Dustbane product.
Dustbane. Give meaning to your cleaning.